Panel is made of environmental E1 standard particle wood. 1.2 millimeter thick metal frame, which is 1.5 times thicker than ordinary 0.8 millimeter ones. The trick to make this table sturdy is in the assembly. Step 1. Each leg is attached to the top with 2 bolts. Step 2. Then tighten them a little bit at a time, alternating bolts. Step 3. Tighten the bolts again, as before. Do this to each leg and the table will not be wobbly anymore. Legs can be adjusted 1 to 2 centimeters in length.